Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm just going to dive into Polkadot for Sunday 6th of February. Very quickly, join me in the Discord if you don't want to lose these updates every single day. And let's talk about Dot. Right now, it has actually crossed this resistance line right there, which is a very good positive sign right now. But it's already been overextended a little bit to the upside. So there was a nice lovely 21% increase on the upside as well. Ever since we're actually having something known as a distribution. Okay, so if this distribution plays out and then you go for for a little bit of a dump to $19, then you could actually touch the $19 and actually hold this yellow line. And there is another level of support right down below this one, which is going to be this. So could you actually lose this and go to, nearly $17? That's actually a big possibility. So there are two scenarios for the correction, either a 10% correction or you go for the 19-20% correction. Simple. Now everybody is actually a little bit bullish right now because there's a fear of missing out with the prices ever since Bitcoin went to 41,900. And people right now have woke up and they want to get entries, but I don't recommend you to actually enter when there are green candles and when they are actually distributing, because look at the volume, guys. It's pretty simple. The volume declines and there's no buyer. So basically sellers are stepping in, people are selling. That's the beauty of the indicators once again. And from here, basically, for me personally, go touch the yellow line. You could take a small entry right there and then continue. And once again, it all depends on Bitcoin. Watch the Bitcoin update as well, and that's going to serve as a future looking glass for the Polkadot as well if you want to know about it. So no big fancy stories, just a correction is what I'm expecting right now out of it. And that's it for today's update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.